The lever cap, along with the metal hand plane, was patented by Leonard Bailey in 1858. There have been minor revisions, but it has remained functionally unchanged for the last 160 years. What does the lever cap do? It holds the blade assembly tight to the bed of the frog. This replaces the wedge from traditional wooden planes and removes the need for a hammer to adjust the plane. The lever cap exerts even force across the edge of the chip breaker and plane iron. This is necessary because metal planes have a thin blade that can flex and vibrate during use, which is called chatter. Chatter on the blade can result in an uneven wood surface and cause the blade to loosen over time. By pressing down evenly across the cap iron and plane iron, the lever cap makes these three pieces act like one solid wedge. So how does the lever cap work? It uses a cam lock to apply tension between the cap screw and the frog to which it's attached. The cam lock has two settings, tight and loose. There's a flat spring attached to the lever cap that snaps it to one of those two positions. The fulcrum of the lever has a square shape with one longer side. When that side is against the spring, it puts tension on the blade assembly and holds it tight to the frog. So how do you use the lever cap correctly? You can achieve a perfect fit by changing how far the cap screw is protruding from the frog. A perfect fit is something you'll learn how to feel, but functionally it's when it's tight enough that the blade doesn't move while you're using it, but is loose enough to be adjusted by the depth adjustment nut and the lateral adjustment lever. You'll also need to hone the lever cap. Place it vertically on a whetstone or lapping plate and hone the edge. Then hone the bottom face about 1/4 inch from the end where it will come into contact with the chip breaker. This will ensure that the lever cap places even pressure on the blade assembly. Make sure to protect the raw metal with some sort of rust inhibitor. This can be paste wax or oil. I like to use Boeshield T-9 because it wipes on like a liquid and dries like a wax. Hopefully this video has given you some more insight into how a hand plane works. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you get notified about my future videos. And don't forget to clamp down on that like button. Bye.